I must tell you, Indian Film Festival of Stuttgart has been one of the fantastic places I have ever been. It has captured my imagination like how, with the warmth of the festival, I am feeling completely at home. And the kind of cinema I'm seeing, the selection I'm seeing, is absolutely very classy. I'm quite happy when I'm shooting and when I'm part of the storytelling process. It really excites me. When I was doing software, I'm a trained software engineer as well. It became quite boring after a point because I was in dark room and I was punching codes, but I was enjoying it for sure. But I was losing humans, and I was losing touch with my surroundings. So I left it in the midway. I did not want to pursue the career of software engineering. As soon as I went into film school, it was woof, the entire world opened up for me. The entire cultural world opened up for me. East European cinema, the German cinema, the British cinema, the French cinema, the classic Hollywood, which I have never seen, the Russians, the Koreans, the Japanese, the entire world opened up for me, and I was like a really small child. It's getting me goosebumps even now. I was exploring and I was in wow. I never forget Mr. Bhanumurthy Allur. He died recently. When he died, I was crying because he was the teacher who took ownership of me and us, few of us, without any experience. He used to make us get up at 4:30 in the morning, and we used to go out in a bus, and he used to make breakfast for us and used to take tea in the thermos. And we used to go out in nature and observe light and how light changes. So those training, those observation made my life, those lessons were for lifetime. And I was making mistakes. And through those mistakes, I learned a lot. It took me, I'll tell you one very funny story. It took me 3 months, like these two young cinematographers will understand, to understand depth of field. Which is very, when I teach now to my students, I teach them so simply. It took me 3 months to understand that. The entire life experience, I bring it to very simple process. And as I have understood it, I tell them to close their eyes and breathe and see the first visual ever and ask them to write it down on paper. What do they see? And I tell them that take the camera in your hand and go out, click that picture. In order to make people feel free in front of camera, you have to make them understand that camera is non-existent. Because camera is a powerful tool and it has its presence. It has its presence, and whenever you're shooting real people, as a documentary filmmaker or cinematographer, you have to make them understand, or by making your connect to them, you have to make them understand that they will just be hanging around like two friends are hanging around. You have to be compassionate to your character or subject. You have to take them into your confidence, make a relationship with them, and that will not happen when your camera is around. You have to go there first and be there, be part of their life, just an observer. I was shooting for that famous program, Satyamev Jayate, for 4 years, and I traveled to every nook and corner of my country. That made me again connect to my own self. That made me connect to my heart. That, hello, you are dealing with human beings, then you have to connect with them on human level. You have, in order to become a documentary cinematographer or filmmaker, you have to hear your fellow human beings a lot. Because I realized that camera has immense power. When people are sitting in front of camera, they just want to be heard.